What's up, amigos? Welcome to Think GoldUp. For today, it's going to be a video of me talking about what I've been up to and also finishing my do-yourself squeegee holder. So we're going to finally do that today. So amigo, first things first, I apologize for not being uploading that much lately. Just I've been real tired and really stressed out from work. I haven't had a day off like in 3 weeks, so yeah, feeling kind of burnt out right now. But luckily tomorrow I am going to finally take the day off. One, so I could get some rest, you know, relax. But I'm also have to reclaim all my screens as well, clean up in here, because right now this shop is a total mess. Let me show you guys real quick. It will be kind of embarrassing, but yeah, I have boxes laying around. When I was drilling those holes, look at that, a mess. Even up here, my table. So yeah, so I need to clean up here because I don't like being this messy, but again, I don't have that much time. I get home from work and the only thing I want to do is, you know, sit down and relax. But I need to clean this up. But what else? Oh yeah, but first let's finish this real quick. Anyways, I got 5 more sticks. I'm gonna cut them up. And since we're talking about jobs, I'm curious to know how many of you guys have a day job but are doing screen printing as your little side hustle. I'm curious, man, how's that working now? Cause for me, it's real. It's real. How do you say? I don't know what the words say, but it's kind of tough, man. Feels like I don't have any time for anything. Hopefully this one works. This one's our cricket, man. Okay. Finally, finished cutting to the little pieces. Supposedly I was gonna buy a larger drill bit so I could make those holes super bigger, but I didn't have time to go and buy it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put this to the drill and sand it. Stupid light. So a lot of these ones, they're really crooked, and usually the drill wasn't a good option because it kept going like that, so I decided to do it just by hand. So I couldn't find the hammer, so I'm going to use this. I don't know what the hell it is. I don't know what it's called. Squeeges. Now, let's move it up. I forgot this one. Let's do it again. Sorry, I forgot. I forgot the bar ones were for the aluminum screens. I mean the aluminum squeegees. There. Finally completed. Are those all my squeegees? I believe so. Let me double check. All my squeegees. So, give you guys a better look at it. See that? Finally, amigos, finally done with my squeegee holder. Have all my squeegees there, so no more having them laying around. And it's already getting late, so I'm not gonna clean today. I'm actually gonna clean tomorrow. This entire mess because I'm tired of looking at it. I feel more crowded, even though it is a small room, but with this mess, yeah. So tomorrow I'm gonna clean this up. Gonna reclaim my screens. And I'm just gonna, how do you say, sand out the rust on the frame for my new exposure table that I'm gonna build. Can't wait to get started. I'm actually gonna wait so I can actually order the UV LED strips as well as the yellow one, because I do want to have a yellow light in there. That way when I'm like trying to register on when I'm taping my film, I don't know how to exactly call it, but yeah, that way I can actually look without turning on the lights. So that yellow light is going to come in handy. But I'm going to wait to like next week probably to actually order those lights, because I'm going to use my credit from my Amazon affiliate links. So you guys, what you guys can help out is use my Amazon affiliate links when you buy something, that I can get a little small commission. With that, I'm going to get those LED strips. And I still go ask about how much the glass will cost. Then as well for the wood frame, because I'm going to put wood around it. Oh yeah, I actually got an idea of how I'm actually going to do my table on the glass top. Whenever I'm done exposing, I'm going to keep it back there, the new exposure table. And I'm going to have my heat press on this table right here. But whenever I'm done exposing, and I need to use the heat press, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off the glass and I'm going to put another wood frame on top of it. That way I can actually put my heat press there and plug it in. So that way I have to deal with, you know, adding an extension cord or anything like that. So yeah. But again, it is going to take me a long time to finish that table. So be patient. It might take like a month, probably longer, depending on how I have to get my other materials. And as well, my personal times actually put the work into it. But we'll see how it goes. In the meantime, amigos, that's all for today's video. Any questions, in the comments below. You could get in contact with me in my social media, you know, Facebook, Instagram, either one of those platforms. And in the meantime, amigos, I'll see you guys next time.